So if you're looking for the transmission dipstick in your Ram 1500, chances are you're not gonna find one. So this happens to be a 2017, and from 2009 to 2018, this one's got the 5.7 in it, 8-speed transmission. These trucks don't have a dipstick like the older trucks used to and stuff like that. So it's not easy for the average person to check the transmission fluid level. Most people would need to bring that down to their truck down to a dealer so that they can put it on a lift and take out a plug and inspect the fluid level inside the transmission. But researched this online, and from what I can see, these are sealed transmissions. My Kia has a sealed transmission too. I changed the transmission fluid in my Kia at 100,000 miles. I brought it down to Kia and had them, service it for me because it's not that easy. So same thing with these Ram trucks. If you have one of these Rams, you may want to get together with your local service center to see what they recommend on the fluid change for it. Some of them might say it's lifetime. Some of them might say, hey, bring it in when the truck gets 100 grand on it, and we'll hook it up to the machine and pump out all the old fluid and put some new transmission fluid in it, which is what I would probably do. Nothing's forever, especially when it comes to fluid, because the transmission fluid's like motor oil. It breaks down, the viscosity breaks down over time, and that's what problems can occur. So I would do that. If it were me, I'd go down to the Ram dealership and see what they recommend. Yeah, especially if your truck is at around 100 grand or a little over 100 grand. And but don't kill yourself trying to find the transmission dipstick. It's not there. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have a question, leave a comment on this video. I will reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.